Okay, we're gonna do the Guan Yin Statue today. So this is kind of near Dr. Sun Yat-sen Avenida de Dr. Sun Yat-sen. So we're just gonna we'll be right back and we'll do this whole thing. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so there's Guanyin, and before we go down to the statue, this is all new. This wasn't here before, so now you can see this giant thing for kids. So they got all this kind of stuff like this. So yeah, they just closed, so all the kids had to go home, but that's what it looks like. It's beautiful. Over goes this whole waterfront area. And we're gonna focus on this one today, so let's just kind of walk over that way. So this is Dr. Sun Yat-sen. That's a giant park. It's like called Dr. Carlos de Asuncion or something like that. Has a quite long name. I think Carlos and Asuncion is in it, and I think there's another word in there too. But this is kind of Dr. Sun Yat-sen waterfront. And over there is MGM Casino. But yeah, and you got all this kind of Portuguese tiles that you see sometimes. And this is all new. It's all brand new. It wasn't there last time. I saw some construction for it before, but now it's actually here. MGM Casino. Yeah, and this is this beautiful park. It just has a bunch of banyan trees in the middle and a bunch of benches and some fountains too. So that's a great place to go as well. And it looks like this is closed. Yeah, this is closed. We won't be able to go in to see Guanyin. Yeah, it's closed today. There we go. I think it might be closed, but let's just see if it's open or not. Okay, it's open. Okay, it's kind of cool. Religion and culture from St. Paul University in Minneapolis, I guess. Huh. Beginning of Christian printing in the Kingdom of China. 1999, that's not too old. Zhubing, language and art. Huh. I see this book around in bookstore, still in print. Some of these things go out of print, and some of them are still around. Oh, it's pretty cool. Okay, this is KunIam. I was thinking it was Guanyin, but it's actually Kun is the name of this goddess. And actually you can see them talking a little bit about it. I'm gonna actually keep this. Oh, KunIam or Guanyin. So Guanyin is the name in Mandarin, and KunIam is the one in Cantonese, I guess. So, okay. So that's why there's two different names. So, okay, Guanyin is the Mandarin name. That looks really cool. I like that a lot. You get the little yin yang in the middle. This is kind of like the I Ching. It's like either a sword or a gift. I'm not sure what that one symbolizes exactly. This is really beautiful. I like that one too. This one is like a king, royalty. Let's just see what's potentially down here. Actually, I haven't been inside here before. Okay. So this is a miniature of Guanyin or Guanyin. So there's some miniatures too. Huh. Wow, looks, the floor is I Ching floor here. It's beautiful. It's a biblioteca, library. So let's see what's. There's a library, but it's let's see. Let's see if we can. Hello. Oops. It's okay. It's okay. Thank you. So, okay. So this is the inside. Hello. Oh, wow, this is beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna go back up again. So yeah, this is actually Guanyin is Mandarin, and then Kun Iam is Cantonese. So it's the same goddess, and I think she's the goddess of I'd probably say, I don't want to make a mistake. I was gonna say I'm actually reading it right here. You can always pause it and read it if you want to. Beautiful. Okay. So that's a Guan Yin Statue, and then that's the Science Center over there. That's a little playground area too. Yeah, it looks real nice, right? Well, we won't be able to view that, but we can try to film it from these other angles. So that looks real nice, right? So yeah, it's just like a little bit of a plaza here. Oh, maybe we'll show you on the map as well. I think we're just gonna keep this one kind of short and sweet. But yeah, there's MGM Casino. There's a little bit of bars there that's and this is where we're at right here. So that's kind of gives you the idea. Dr. Sun Yat-sen Park, Dr. Carlos de Sumshao. So I guess I had the name right after all. Thought there was another middle name in there, but so okay. So yeah, this basically looks down towards Taipa. Man, the sun is beautiful right now too. I mean the moon. The way the sky is coming down. So maybe we'll just stay a little bit more, kind of walk down that way a little bit. I think we still have some time, so just kind of go by this way. There's the Guan Yin Statue. We'll kind of go down a little bit. Man, the sky is perfect right now. I think I want to walk down by that again before, while it's all the kids just left as well. So we'll just go by and just kind of show you what that looks like again. You can also go down to the water, but that should be closed down. But there was an access to here and to here, but yeah, it's all closed. big gate there. I think there's some public bathrooms down that way too. There's our Guan Yin Statue right there. Okay. So yeah, it's too bad that was closed, but we'll try to get as close as we can over here. You can see some boats coming in as well. Over there's a boat. Now you can see this whole row of play areas too. All right, so we'll end it right there.